Hey everybody, this is Kevin from Kevin's Models and More, and thanks again for joining us on another Saturday Sports Cards. As you can see, we are in a very different location. We're actually filming one, outdoors. Two, we're down in the Phoenix area, and you can see it's windy. So we're gonna wing it, but you might recognize there's a whole bunch of hands on the screen here. I've got my brother-in-law Ozzy here. This is his first time opening cards, and this is gonna be his debut. And you may see a dog roaming around in the back. Mila, go. So we're just gonna have fun with it. I hope you enjoy watching as we enjoy opening. So we've got now this is a pack of cards I picked up at Walgreens. I think I paid like $7 for it, and I know I got ripped off because they're old cards. There's only 25 of them, but we're opening it for the fun. And then we've also got a 2 blister pack set. We got 2019 Prism, and I don't know what the backpack is. And but I want to highlight real quick my new background, my Corbin Carroll bobblehead that my buddy Chris picked up for me at a recent ball game. He went to the D-backs. So we'll set that there. Ozzy?
I'll do the honors.
It's all yours. And this is his first time on YouTube, so bear with us. We'll get through it. Okay.
Okay. Francisco Lindor from the Mets, New York Mets.
Yep.
Sid Bream from the Pirates.
Yep. That 87 Topps card there.
Charlie Kerfeld from the Astros. Mark Lee from the Brewers. Will Smith from the Dodgers.
Boo,
Dodgers.
We got a gallery here, everybody. Boo Dodgers.
Real Cormier from the Cardinals. How am I doing so far?
You're doing fantastic.
Ron Karkovic.
It's Karkovice, but
Karkovice.
if you're from Italy, you'd say Karkovice.
Okay. From the White Sox.
Shout out to Chuck. Chuck, put on your sunglasses. I'm shipping that card to you, buddy. Fleer 91 is famous for being the bright yellow. Oh, you got a bone chrome there.
Nick Bitsko. From the Rays.
Rays, yep, Tampa Bay.
Fleet Feet.
Fleet Feet. Let's turn that one over. I'm not sure who all that is. Does it say? Willie McGee and Vince Coleman. Okay.
From the Cardinals.
Yep.
Matt Latos from the Reds.
Ooh, shout out to Aaron.
Jose De Leon from the White Sox.
Another Sox card for Chuck.
Jake Peavy from the Padres. Chris Sabo from the Reds.
It's Sabo, but it does look like Sabo. And if you speak Spanish incorrectly, you'd say Yo Sabo todo. That's a joke. Hey!
Chris Owens from the Diamondbacks.
Whoop, whoop. Set that one aside, actually. Make a little pile for the D-backs. There we go. They go in a special pile.
Okay. Josh Donaldson from the Twins.
Yep.
Francisco Lindor, again from the Mets.
Hey, go
Same
back.
exact card.
So pull that out. Is that a double?
Yeah.
Okay, pull it out. And we'll... Yep. Okay, so we got a Fairfield double. Although this is not a Fairfield product, it's a Three Bros product, but we got the double, so show the double. Yep, that's a very popular thing in this hobby is pulling doubles, so cool.
Fred McGriff from the Blue Jays. Andy Hawkins from the Yankees. David Landecker from the Royals.
No, well, you know I think that's a AAA card. Yeah, turn it over. That's not a professional. Drafted by Houston. So I guess that might be a AAA affiliate for the Astros, I'm guessing? I don't know. Never heard of the Royal. Interesting.
Eric Bell.
That's for the Orioles.
Okay.
Yep, rated rookie.
Jimmy Williams from the Blue Jays. Sean Holman from the Tigers. Chris Carpenter from the Cardinals. Rick Thompson and
The Expos?
Expos.
Yeah, they don't exist anymore.
And Lloyd Mosby from the Blue Jays.
Okay. So of all those cards, which would you say is your favorite?
Well, I mean, I live in Arizona, so I like the Diamondbacks.
You got to go with the D-backs. So we'll set that one there. All right, good deal. I'll set those aside so they don't blow away. And go ahead and look into that. I'll just set them all aside.
Okay.
All right.
We're opening the back one first.
Yeah, what is the back one? It's a 22 Series 2. Yeah, let's open that one first.
So we got Shane Baz from the
Rays?
The Rays.
Rookie card.
Zach Plazak from the Guardians. Yusei Kikuchi.
It's okay. It's I say, we say, you say, Kikuchi.
Mariners.
Mariners.
Jonathan Daza from the Rockies.
Yep.
Okay. Drew Rasmussen from the Rays.
Yep.
JP Crawford from the Mariners. Okay, so this is the whole team,
Yeah,
Detroit
that's the
Tigers.
team card. Yep.
Okay, cool. I'm guessing this is Rafael Devers
Yep, you got
from
it.
the Red Sox.
Yep.
Byron Buxton from the Twins.
Yep.
Nick Madrigal from the Cubs.
Ooh, future star, stars of the MLB.
JT Realmuto from the Phillies.
Yep.
Trace Thompson from the Cubs. Brad Miller from the Phillies. Charlie Barnes from the Twins. Alex Verdugo from the Red Sox.
Now, speaking of Alex from the Red Sox, a new friend of mine, little Alex, is going to get some Red Sox cards. So, Alex, you got an Alex coming to you, bud.
Aaron Nola from the Phillies.
Okay, and a famous term we use is last pack magic coming up. Let's pull some fire. Now, there's only 4 cards in this pack, so hopefully the quality of each card will be a little bit higher since there's only 4 of them. Come on, Corbin, give us some luck, buddy. Are we going to get good cards? He's shaking his head yes.
Okay. Trevor Williams from the Pirates, I'm guessing.
Yep.
Pittsburgh Pirates.
You got it?
Okay. Kobe Allard
The Braves, Atlanta.
from the Braves.
Yeah.
Framber Valdez.
Houston, that's the Astros. And our last card, guys, our last card of the pack.
Randy Johnson from Arizona.
You got it. Yo, the big unit. We finished on the big unit card. See what I mean about last pack magic? It never fails. All right. How was that?
It was fun.
Was it fun? A little
Yeah.
nerve-wracking?
Yeah, a little nerve-wracking.
No, you did great with the names and everything. So,
Uh-huh.
anyway, everybody, that wraps up this week's Saturday Sports Cards. Thanks for watching. Thanks, Ozzy, for helping out.
Of course.
And we will see you next week. Take care, everybody. God bless. Bye.